since we've been together. Been too long since we've been alone. We mark the time between stolen moments, waiting for messages sent on the phone. Can't see each other when we want to, so we settle for whenever we can. We live in a world with secret glances. We keep on going without any plan. Society keeps us at a distance. Reality controls what we have to do. Our discretion sets the tone and the time, the stolen moment I share with you. The stolen moment. Now we're stuck here in the middle. We're not happy but unable to change. We keep our feelings in isolation, wishing things could happen and not be arranged. Society keeps us at a distance. Reality controls what we have to do. Our discretion sets the tone and the time, the stolen moment I share with you. The stolen moment. Our hearts are yearning for deep connection, concealed attraction till our rendezvous. Distracted daily, going through the motions, disguised emotions, till dreams can come true. We live in an invisible world, somewhere between our hearts and our minds. We only come alive, no saver.